Hello everyone, I am Rehan Sharif and welcome to the new video series of Jetpack Compose series. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look about the preview. Like we know that if you want to see the preview or the design of any composable function, we have annotated it with our preview annotations. And the preview annotation contains so many parameters under itself that will help us to customize the preview of the looks. But what if we have to say, if we have to take a look the preview of one composable function into the different device or in a different things? Like you can see there is a function which is contain of one composable function text for showing the text something, and I'm passing a text here as I am Rehnuma Sharif. Do you know why I'm writing this? Because I am Rehnuma Sharif. That's why I written my name. What's unique in it? So sorry. So that's it, Rehnuma Sharif, and we have to denote it with the preview annotation. So it will help us to see the preview on our right side of the Android Studio. Here you can see it's loading currently. But what if I have to see, like the preview function can be used, we can customize it. So let's customize it with my name. Name is here like 1, and let's see, we are going to watch this into the device called. So here it is. So now assuming that we want to take a look of the design into the Pixel 3 XL. But what if we have to take a look in a different device? So there's two things. First, we can do that. I'm just copying it. We can 2 or 3 parameters. We have to change the name here also. So we have to change the name. And we have to change this name of the preview also. So you can see sorry. So you can see now it's changing. Now you can see, let me was a bit here. You can see that now the 3 4 as we rated a 4 function for the same things. Now 4 preview is here. This is so boilerplate look and not look good. It's not like a standard way. Now that there's a second type also. We can do one more thing for displaying a multiple preview. We can use a preview annotation multiple times on a same composable. It will also produce the multiple preview on the right side of the Android Studio. But what if we have the second function? If we have the second function, composable function here, so we also need to write all this code again for the second function to display the multiple on the device, multiple devices. Take a look at multiple devices. So what's the best way? The best way is that we need to annotate a class. We need to make a class that is an annotation class. That is, we just need to make a annotation class and define all the possible preview parameter that we have to take a look on apply on our composable function. So we are just made it. I'm already made it. So take a look that, like here we can annotate a 10 preview class with the annotation class name is a device preview, and all preview have their own specification. You can specify here. You can see all of the simple all of the same, but you can specify the different customization according to your need. But you can see there is an error. Error is showing that you cannot target this annotation on an annotation class. And the reason behind it that my current compose version is 1.1.0 beta. But what you have to do, you have to change it to 1.2.0, and that will start working perfectly fine. And then once you create annotation class, declare the parameter of preview that you need to show on your screen. Just need to apply that annotation class over the composable function that you want to take a look the design on a different skill set, different devices. Sorry. For that, we just need to preview what we name device preview. So that's just you need to do, and it will start displaying here. It's not displaying because I'm currently on not an Android Dolphin. Be remember two things. You need to use Jetpack Compose version 1.2.0 and the Android Studio Dolphin. So thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do not forget to subscribe the channel and like the video and share the friends. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching.